Hello friends, I Devang Prajapati from Upanishad Science Academy Limkeda. In last video of standard 11, chapter number 1, there is some basic concepts of chemistry. What we have done, I'll say it first. The short number 10 it was, okay, in that वो short number 10 था, ठीक है, जिसमें हमने स्टोइकियोमेट्रिक कैलकुलेशन क्या है, कैसे करते हैं, इंपेरिकल फॉर्मूला क्या है, ठीक है, एंड हाउ टू कैलकुलेट द इंपेरिकल फॉर्मूला एज वेल एज द मॉलिक्यूलर फॉर्मूला. Okay, that much we have done. Okay, now as well as even at the last the limiting reagent. Okay, what is the limiting reagent? Okay, that much also we have done in the last video. Now today what we are going to do, that is a short number 11 of chapter number 1. Okay, we are going to start. Okay, and in that what we are going to do, that is the today's topic is the reactions in solutions. Okay, reactions in solutions. तो सबसे पहले reactions in solution क्या है उसकी हम बात करेंगे बच्चों, ठीक है. अ मेजोरिटी ऑफ द रिएक्शंस, आप लैब में जाओ, ठीक है, तो जो भी रिएक्शंस होती है, ठीक है, उसके पहले उनके सॉल्यूशंस बनाने पड़ते हैं. ओके, वी हैव टू प्रिपेयर द सॉल्यूशंस ऑफ इट. ओके, नाउ टू प्रिपेयर द सॉल्यूशंस, ओके, वी हैव the chemicals. Okay, and that chemicals are available in the form of, sometime maybe it is available in form of liquid, sometime it may be available in the form of solid. Okay, so all these chemicals they are available in different form. Okay, it may be in form of solid, may be in form of liquid, even the few they are available in form of gases also. Okay, so now these how to express, okay, in form of concentration. So how to express all these reactant, okay, how to prepare the solutions. तो ये solution कैसे हमें बनाने, ठीक है. So therefore it is important to understand as how the amount of substance is expressed when it is present in the solution. Okay, वो बहुत important हो जाता है, ठीक है. So the concentration of solution of the amount of the substance is expressed in different ways. Okay, जो भी solution बनता है, ठीक है, उसको बनाने के बहुत अलग अलग तरीके होते हैं. ओके, देयर आर डिफरेंट वेज टू एक्सप्रेस इट. ओके, द अमाउंट ऑफ द सब्सटेंस. ओके, सो लेट्स सी द व्हाट आर द डिफरेंट वेज. ओके, द फर्स्ट वन दैट इज कॉल्ड एज अ मास परसेंटेज. ओके, मास percentage. Okay, so what is mass percent, or you can also call it as a weight by weight in percentage. Okay, weight by weight in a percentage. Okay, so this is the first way to express the substance, the amount of the substance. ये सबसे पहला तरीका है amount of substance को express करने का, ठीक है. Now the second way, okay, the first way it was the mass percentage. Okay, now the second way, that is the mole fraction. Okay, the name is mole fraction. Okay, so what is mole fraction and that all? Okay, we are going to study into one by one. Okay, then the third one, that is the molarity. Okay, third one, that is the molarity. Okay, the fourth one, it is the molality. Okay, molarity and molality. Okay, molarity is expressed in capital M. Okay, molarity को हम capital M से रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं, ठीक है. whereas molality, okay, we are going to express in form of small m. Okay, we are going to express in the form of small m. Okay, so these are the different ways, okay, how to express how to express the amount of substance. Okay, these are the different ways to express the amount of substance. Okay, or also you can call it as a ways to express the concentration. Okay, what are the different units to measure it? Okay,
સબસ્ક્રાઇબ કરો દેવાંગ સર કેમેસ્ટ્રી ચેનલને બેલ આઇકોન પર પ્રેસ કરીને લેટેસ્ટ અપડેટ માટે.
okay, the first way to express the amount of substance is we have to express the mass in percentage. Okay, so let's start the first one, that is mass percentage. Okay, so how to calculate the mass percentage? Mass percentage हम कैसे calculate करेंगे? Okay, so for the same mass percentage of solute is equal to, there is a formula. Okay, mass percentage of solute is equal to mass of solute in numerator upon the mass of solution in denominator. Okay, mass percentage of solute is equal to mass of solute in numerator, okay, upon mass of solution. Okay, so this is what the formula to express or to calculate the mass percentage of substance. Okay, तो अभी इसके ऊपर से हम एक प्रॉब्लम देखेंगे जो आपके टेक्स्ट बुक में दिया गया है. ओके, दैट इज द प्रॉब्लम नंबर 1.6. ओके, सी दिस मास परसेंटेज इज आल्सो कॉल्ड एज एन वेट upon weight in percentage. Okay, it is also called as a weight upon weight in percentage. Okay, so there are both the names. Okay, you have to remember, you can also call it as a mass percentage or you can also call it as a weight by weight in a percentage. Okay, so let's calculate it. There is a question. Okay, a solution is prepared by adding 2 gram of substance. Now this 2 gram of substance is what? Your solute. Okay, to 18 gram of water. Okay, now 18 gram of water is what? This is considered to be the solvent. Okay, so you have the 2 gram of solute, okay, and 18 gram of solvent. Okay, they have given, and then they are asking us to calculate the mass percent of the solute. Okay, so how we will calculate? First we have to use this formula, that is mass percentage of solute is equal to, the formula is mass of solute upon mass of solution. Okay, so this is the formula. Okay, now how much solute they have given in the question? Okay, you can read this question, that is 2 gram. So a solution is prepared by adding 2 gram of solute or substance, you can call it, okay, to 18 gram of water, that is solvent. Okay, so 2 gram of solute we have to keep it in numerator, that is 2. Okay, and mass of solution we have to. Okay, so for the solution you have to add the solute plus solvent both together. Okay, so solute you are having, that is 2 plus, this is the solute, 2 gram they have given, and solvent they have given, that is the 18 gram. Okay, so 2 plus 18. Okay, then what we have to do? 2 will remain same, 18 plus 2 you will be getting 20. Okay, and then we have to find the percentage. See here, we have to find the percentage of it, so we need to multiply with the 100. Okay, we need to multiply with the 100 over here. Okay, so here also you have to multiply with the 100. Okay, here also you have to multiply with the 100. Okay, so now you have to do the calculation, that is 0 0 cut. Okay, 2 5s are 10, you will be getting 5 2s are 10. Okay, 10% would be the answer of the mass percentage of the solute. Okay, so the answer is what? Mass percentage of solute is equal to 10%. Okay, so that's all. Okay, now students, the second way to express the amount of substance is mole fraction. Okay, so the second way, the name is called as a mole fraction. Okay, so about mole already we have seen in the previous video. Okay, that is mole is equal to weight upon molecular weight. Okay, so what is mole fraction? Okay, so mole fraction is the ratio of number of moles. It's a ratio of number of moles of one component upon number of moles of solution. Okay, so again the mole fraction is what? It's a number of moles of one component. Okay, you can consider it as a one solute. Okay, upon the number of moles of solution. Okay, so now I'll explain this by one example. Okay, suppose we have the one component is A, okay, and the second component is B. Okay, we have two components. The component A is A and the component second is B. Okay, now how to find the mole fraction of both of these? Okay, that is mole fraction of component A is equal to mole fraction of component A is equal to number of moles of component A upon number of moles of component A plus B, or else you can also write it for the solution. Okay, so this is the way how you can calculate the mole fraction of component A. Okay, now in same manner you can also prepare the mole fraction of component B. So how to calculate it? So mole fraction of component B is equal to same formula. Okay, by here only you can see there is number of moles of, instead of A you have to write B, number of moles of B, okay, upon the total will be remain same, that is number of moles of A plus B, or you can also call it as a solution. Okay, so this is what the second way. Okay, the first way what we have seen, that is mass percentage and the example of it. Okay, now this is what the second way, that is to express the amount of a substance. Okay, that is the mole fraction. Okay, so mole fraction is what? Number of moles of one component upon number of moles of solution. Okay, and we have taken for the example component A and component B. Okay, so for the component A, there is mole fraction of component A is equal to number of moles of A upon number of moles of solution, or you can also call it A plus B. Okay, now in same manner mole fraction of component B is equal to number of moles of B upon number of moles of A plus